Claude McKay, born Festus Claudius McKay in Sunnyvale, Jamaica in 1889, was a key figure in the Harlem Renaissance, a prominent literary movement of the 1920s. His work ranged from vernacular verse celebrating peasant life in Jamaica to poems that protested racial and economic inequities. His philosophically ambitious fiction, including tales of black life in both Jamaica and America, addresses instinctual/intellectual duality, which McKay found central to the black individual's efforts to cope in a racist society. He is the author of The Passion of Claude McKay, Selected Poetry and Prose, 1973, The Dialectic Poetry of Claude McKay, 1972, Selected Poems, 1953, Harlem Shadows, 1922, Constab Ballads, 1912, and Songs of Jamaica, 1912, among many other books of poetry and prose. For Songs of Jamaica, McKay received an award and stipend from the Jamaican Institute of Arts and Sciences. He used the money to finance a trip to America, and in 1912, he arrived in South Carolina. He then traveled to Alabama and enrolled at the Tuskegee Institute, where he studied for approximately 2 months before transferring to Kansas State College. In 1914 he left school entirely for New York City and worked various menial jobs. As in Kingston, McKay encountered racism in New York City, and this compelled him to continue writing poetry. McKay's other noteworthy fiction publication during his final years abroad was Gingertown, 1932, a collection of 12 short stories. 6 of the tales are devoted to Harlem life, and they reveal McKay's preoccupation with black exploitation. Other tales are set in Jamaica. McKay moved to Chicago and worked as a teacher for a Catholic organization. McKay has been recognized for his intense commitment to expressing the challenges faced by black people.